So I'm riding this bike back to Kingman for a friend of mine who is currently injured from Vegas, and it's not as comfortable as mine, but it definitely has it's fun. I'm not gonna lie, it's fun. I mean, there's not too many bikes that are as comfortable as my bike. 6 gears almost feels wasted on this. There's so many cops out today, so I have to like be good, and even now I'm being good. You see my helmet bobbing. It doesn't do that when I'm on the GS, because the wind doesn't hit you in the face. It's nice and balanced, feels good. It's easy to turn without any hands. Much easier to move around than my bike. He bought one of these those little throttle locks that I've used on my other bikes at the dealership. I was like, I couldn't be happier because there's no cruise control. I'm such a freaking prima donna, spoiled, rotten bitch. Hello, officer. Police officer. You pull over that nasty Mustang. I'm sitting on this like I would a sport bike. Like I'm kind of one cheeking it because it's freaking hard as a rock. Holy shit! I'm like, wow, ow. But I like it. I really do like it. I like the looks of it completely. The seat looks cool. Everything looks cool about it. Everything but that fucking mirror. It's starting to piss me off.